Okay, so let's get straight into it. We read articles, we watch videos online, and we do many things. And sometimes when we want to note down something, we often tend to forget it just because we don't have a quick access to a notepad. But no worries, you can download Liner, an application which works like a digital highlighter. Liner is a digital highlighter through which you can highlight portion of the articles which you want to read and also note down the timestamps of a video while you watch it. And not only that, the interesting part about this is that whatever you highlight you can download as PDF. It is very simple to use. While you watch a video, you have to click the share button and choose Liner, and it will have a button with highlighter symbol through which if you start clicking it, you can note down the timestamp of the video which you want to rewatch again when you watch it sometime. And the second thing, while reading articles, you can select the text that you want to highlight, and you can also choose to highlight those in different colors, which is really great. And also you can download all the highlighted stuff in PDF format, which is again very useful while you share it to someone. So app number 2 is Battery Guru. Now this is a battery application which actually gives you a ton of information about the battery life of your smartphone. It shows you how much battery is being consumed in real time, and not only that, it can also measure the battery health of your phone. And for that, you need to discharge your battery up till 15% and charge your smartphone till 100%, and then it will start measuring your battery health, making you aware on how efficient you use your phone in terms of battery life. Not only that, it will also give you tips in order to save some juice out of your smartphone. This is a really great application which lets you to track the battery usage of your phone so that you can optimize it according to your needs. So app number 3 is a simple application which lets you use certain websites in full screen mode like an app. Say for example, you visit certain websites for reading their articles usually, and you have to go to the browser, type the website URL, go and search for it, and you have to just scroll and scroll. Instead, you can download Native Alpha. This is an application through which you can use a website in an application form. So what you need to do is to open the application and paste the link which you regularly access, and you can create an icon on your home page through which you can access that particular website on daily basis. It works like an application, and that particular website will come in full screen so that it will give you an impression of using an app. It's a really great application, Native Alpha, which lets you use all the websites just like an app. The link is in the description below. Download and check it out. So number 4 is an application which helps you to learn certain habits, and the application name is called as Habit Now. This is an application which reminds you to do the task in order to master a habit, and not only that, you can also set recurring tasks in order to make you remember to do that particular task on day-to-day basis. This is a really great application, and there's also a premium subscription for this through which you can access many other features. I use Habit Now to control on what I eat on day-to-day basis based on the calories, and it will help me stay on track of the habit which I'm trying to follow. Download this application and try to learn a habit using it. Why not? So the last and final app is called as Wallet. This is a very important application these days because we usually don't have a track on our finances, the expenses we do, the income which comes to us. It's a very rare thing these days. Many people track their finances. But this application will let you record all the expenses, incomes, and also set goals based on that, and also set budget on the expenses that you incur every month. This is a really useful application in order to make you learn financial management, and if you're very weak on your finances, then this application will help you to control your expenses and also increase the income which you get. Features like setting goals for your expenses and setting a budget for your expenses is very helpful because at the end of every month you will have a rough idea on how you spend the money which you get. This is a really great application, and this is a very important application too because financial management is very important thing to learn. So all the links to every application is down in the description below. You can go and check it out and try it out yourself, and tell me which one is your favorite application in this list. Comment down your opinion in the comments below, and if this video was useful, then share it with your friends. It will help them too. And not only that, if you enjoy watching my content, a like to this video would be great, and you know the drill. Most of you forget to subscribe my channel while they watch it. So it's pretty simple. Don't forget to subscribe. Red color subscribe button, click it, make it gray, and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. For now, this is me Arnav signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.